Here's how to connect music to COROS Phase 3. First is what you need to do is to of course make sure that your COROS watch is turned on. And then afterwards what you need to do is to make sure that the headphones or earphones that you're going to use to connect music with is also turned on. Now the next thing that you're going to do is go to the music options of your COROS watch, which will be seen on the watch options. So what you need to do is to click on the lyric symbol, and then afterwards it will now go ahead and search for your earphone device that you're going to connect with your Chorus watch. Now, as you can see, this is the name of the device. What you need to do is to go ahead and click on that so that it will automatically connect to the listening device that you have. After connecting it to the listening device, you can now go ahead and play some music that has been downloaded to your Chorus watch, and now you can go ahead and enjoy listening music to your watch.